Well, being from the beach, we're going on vacation. Where would you want to go?
Let's say Kentucky. Kentucky. That's right, Kentucky. It's our son's 25th birthday, and he decided to bring us to Kentucky for some bourbon trail tastings and some hiking. And not only that, we're also going
on a canoe.
So let's go.
Is it a canoe or a kayak?
Well, canoe, kayak. I think we're canoeing in a cave. So let's go. Have some fun.
Let's check it out. Right now, we have the GoPro, and we're climbing up the mountain. Look at this beautiful view right here. We're hiking up the mountain, I should say. There we go. So, where are we?
At the Red River Gorge Mountain. Let's take a roll call before we go. Right. There's Beatbox, Brayton, and JR, and our son Brendan and Sarah.
Okay, so we're at Daniel Boone National Forest, and we're going to the Sky Bridge. She almost fell.
Second time now.
Second time. Look, Brayton, don't step on that.
Well, maybe we shouldn't do this.
We're dressed for flip-flop weather. Here's a nice look over the edge here. All right. So we came along this little trail up to this Sky Bridge, which is a natural bridge.
Can you walk on it?
And you're supposed to walk on it because it's called a bridge. So we're going to walk on it. And Bunny B, she's afraid to walk on it.
It's solid rock. Yeah, it's solid rock, Mom.
It's solid as a rock.
Look how.
I thought there was a way to get down.
There is, boo.
Hey, you're in our view.
Sorry. So this is pretty neat. Up here in Kentucky, overlooking the mountains. Look at that over there. And as you can see, throughout the years, people have put their names here. Don't know why they want to deface. And this is made out of solid rock.
Y'all already supposedly paid too.
Good thing it wasn't raining. All right, so here's the edge over here. Let's not fall. How about that?
I'm trying to send y'all videos of us hiking the man-made sky bridge in the mountains of Kentucky.
Brennan, are you messing with her?
I'm not messing with her. She's gonna yell at you getting that close.
I'm not that close. I just kind of got a shot. Hey, what's down here?
Yeah, I do hear it.
All right, so we just crossed that. And once you get across, they have these little handles and railings. Little brick wall. So you can sit and guide you through here. See how far it goes. So they got these steps, these rock steps on the other side that go all the way down. And you might want to remember to bring bug spray because the bugs are crazy, and the flies. I don't know what it is. It might be biting flies or something. But you know how that goes. We always forget stuff because we're not used to biting flies on a mountain. So we're going through here. Wow.
Brennan, you want?
Brennan, did you bring your rope?
And here he goes. Here comes mountain climber Beatbox Boone.
God.
I wasn't grabbing on that.
That was
No.
a little one. Brennan, can you stand next to your daddy?
So y'all can both roll off the mountain. All right, good job, boys.
Listen,
Good job.
Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. Blueberry?
This is a fan around my neck for those of you who get hot. This isn't mine, this is my dad's, but I got it from Amazon for $17. JR's is on right now.
Yours ain't on?
No, because
Okay.
I don't really need it.
Okay.
This is dad's. I'm just
We might have to.
So that'd be a
Fill that
smart
up.
thing that y'all might want to invest
We
in.
don't know how long we're gonna
If
be
you
out
hike
here.
or go outdoors.
Also, don't wear flip-flops like Beatbox has.
I think it's supposed to rain.
They have on
tomorrow.
Crocs, tennis shoes, socks, and bring insect pellet because the flies are like terrible.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, so we made our way under, or we're making our way under the bridge.
Oh yeah, take
Look at that. It's pretty neat. Wow, it's almost like a cave. And now, this is sheer cliff. More steps and more cutouts of the cave or of the bridge. Of course, look at that up there.
Yeah.
Is that your bunk bed?
Yeah, that's his hideout. That's his bunk.
Y'all be scared there's a bobcat.
You might be right about that.
Yeah.
This is bobcat country. And that's the bridge we were just on. Looks like erosion. Critters live up in there. Look at that. And it keeps going.
Wow, look at that up there.
And behold, directly underneath the sky bridge.
And look, the kids tried to sit there. It's a big
Look at
old
that.
open view.
It was hollow for this.
You mean you thought it was solid?
It was solid for this part.
You thought the whole thing was solid, not
So I'll be
hollow?
going back up this way.
Right. Look at that. So you could grab that tree, I guess, if you fell. It's a long way down. All right. Y'all see that behind us?
Yeah. Pretty. It's fine. Oh, that's cute.
That's the famous explorer, Brayton Boone.
Big bro.
Hold it up, Brayton. All right, we came from there,
Careful. Just thinking about all the safety hazards that's going on right
and we're going back down.
Only one that knows that.
So little Brady said that she thought I was getting overheated, so she gave me this little fan
We've already said that.
to go over my neck. Look at that drop. What?
Stop. You're
What's he doing?
Can you try to move
this picture.
Oh, he's trying to move it?
That's why you don't go hiking with boys.
Why?
Because they try to move trees. Yeah.
They want to show off their muscles?
Or you got people like this looking for an ant.
I knew there was an ant in there.
Look, I knew there was a bobcat right up over your head about to attack you. Oh yeah, I got that on film.
Kick it as hard as you can.
I got that destruction of government property. Cheryl's been here. Who would have thunk it?
Oh, no, it's
Wow, look at that. It's a large
well,
piece
when
of
they-
rock, isn't it?
When they made this, yeah, it had to have been years ago then.
Yeah, see?
This is really
This is man-made trail. And this is a God-made bridge. What is it? I don't think so.
I'm messing with you.
Somebody's gonna push him off the mountain. Talking about a bobcat was up in that thing. Wow, this is pretty neat. Little overhang here.
A singular spider web.
Wow, look. We've made it to the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, look.
Barely.
Come on, Dad. Now y'all need to film for.
I need to keep the camera on her. My goodness, clumsy.
Yeah, did you keep the camera on my ninja skills?
On your ninja skills.
Come on, JR, one more picture.
All right, not sure if you could hear me because I was wearing this thing. But
What if some exotic bug bites you?
this is a comparison. These are average size humans. And this is how large the sky bridge is. And now we got to go up the stairs. All right, they made it, I think.
Yeah, Frank finally made it to the top.
We can't make it. I think I got my cardio in, I'm telling you right now.
Heck yeah.
Can't
And don't wear a
breathe.
hat, it makes you hotter.
And she said, don't wear a hat, it makes you hotter, but I'd pass out if I didn't have this hat on.
All right, here, that's what it's good for, fans.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this little quick look at the bridge right here on the mountain at the Daniel Boone National Forest Sky Bridge, which is an actual bridge made by God, not man. If you found this video informative, how about give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to let you know what videos we post, and we post them weekly. As always, keep beaching or keep hiking in the mountains. We might get stranded.
Take a deep
And
breath.
also don't wear flip-flops like Beatbox has.
So we dressed accordingly. We got our running shoes on.
So I'm telling your dad.
Oh!
Oh, party foul.
Note to self, bring some good walking shoes to get up this stuff. Let's find out where we're at.
Wait,
What are you laughing at? Do I look goofy?
And bring insect pellet because the flies are like terrible.
But does flies count as bugs for the bug spray?
Ooh, might need to fresh wash these steps.